Day 14. Welcome to Day 14, sister, as we focus on discerning the season that you are in. As we prepare to step into the new things that God is seeking to do through our ministry, it is crucial to recognize what we may need to let go of in order to embrace what God is calling us to now. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 tells us, "There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens." This verse reminds us that life is full of different seasons, each with its own purpose. Sometimes we hold on to things well beyond their expiration date. These might be good things we're doing, but their season has ended. Yet, we still might feel obligated because we don't want to let people down or disappoint them. Or perhaps we feel like it's something good to do, which it very well might be, but it's taking up space for what God is leading us to do now. We must understand that we only have so much time in a day. If our plate is full of quote-unquote good things that are out of season and not what God is calling us to do right now, they actually serve as distractions. They prevent us from fully stepping into the new season God has for us. Think of it this way. If your hands are full holding the old, you can't accept the new. God did not call us to be busy, sister. God desires for us to be fruitful. And in order for us to do that, we can't be running around like a chicken with our head cut off, doing everything for everybody out of obligation, when in reality, God is calling us to something new. We need to think deeply about what God is doing through us in this season. Matthew 9:17 says, "Neither do people pour new wine into old wineskin. If they do, the skins will burst, the wine will run out, and the wineskin will be ruined. No, they pour new wine into new wineskins, and both are preserved." This scripture reminds us that to receive new blessings and opportunities, we must be prepared and willing to let go of the old. It's important to acknowledge that letting go of old things can be challenging. Some people might be upset or even disappointed that we've decided to let go of certain commitments, and that can be hard. But our responsibility is to be obedient to where God is calling us and not to stay stuck just because we don't want to disappoint others. God's purpose for us in this season must take precedence over maintaining the status quo. As we reflect on the topic of today's devotional, I want you to ask yourself the following and write your answer in your journal. First question: what activities or commitments in your life may have outlived their season? And how might letting go of them create space for what God is calling you to do now? Question number 2. How can you discern the current season God has placed you in? And what steps can you take to align your action with His purpose for this time? As we prepare to close, I invite you to proclaim this confession of faith over your life. I trust God's timing and purpose for my life. I release the old to embrace the new season God has prepared for me. Let's say that one more time. I trust God's timing and purpose for my life. I release the old to embrace the new season God has prepared for me. I challenge you, sister, if you want to take this further, spend time in prayer and reflection to discern the season that you are in. Identify any activities or commitments or relationships that you think need to go, or God is showing you that needs to go, for you to make room for the new in this season. Write them down and ask God for the strength and wisdom to release them and step confidently into the new season. Until we connect again tomorrow, sister, you stay blessed and encouraged while you're taking steps to release the old and welcome the new.
Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.